People are freaking out about Devin. For the past 2 weeks, all I've been seeing is, here's how AI will take our jobs. Software engineering is dead. Do not learn how to code. AI will replace software engineers. AI is growing fast and developers are not liking it. The same people who created it. Today we're going to be talking about Devin, the new AI software engineer, which seems to be shaking up the developer community. So Devin, my new friend, because I've never seen developers so scared, is not just any AI. He's a software engineer. So basically, he can do what any software engineer can do, right? So the way that Devin works is exactly like how any software engineer would work, right? They have their own command line, they have their own browser, they have their own editor. So they will just build a system based off the requirements given, debug it and deploy it at the same time. And just to add on that, they actually debug it the same way a software engineer would do, putting a bunch of print statements and to see where the issue might be. The real question is, are we doomed as human software engineers? Is this really the end of us? Well, I don't think so. Software engineering isn't just about writing code. It's about problem solving, creativity, understanding complex systems, maintaining them, and also client engagement. While AI is incredibly powerful at automating certain tasks, it lacks the human touch. The ability to innovate, understand the broader context of a project, and engage with clients effectively. I mean, sure, AI can help in repetitive tasks like code generation, which are like boilerplates, bugs fixing, deployment, some part of planning, but they can never replace what software engineers bring to the table. Let's dive a little bit what software engineers actually do. Software engineers often act as a bridge between technology and the end users. We engage with clients to understand their needs, translate those requirements into technical specifications, and provide a software solution that will meet their expectation or exceeds their expectations. And to be quite frank, number of times, clients don't know what they want. Basically, you don't only need technical expertise, you also need strong communication skills to be a good software engineer. Because throughout the development process, you engage closely with the client to understand and give feedback, updates on the development, and adjust as needed. And to be fair, Devin is quite awesome. What he can do and whatever they did to accomplish this is very interesting. But to say it will fully replace developers is not quite true. We all know it was a demo. We know how software engineers do on demo. It's the best case scenario. It's not at the level that it can replace software engineers. As you could clearly see that they've given it a very direct instructions on what to do, given it even links for the documentations of whatever it needs to do. So basically it is not at the level that it actually portrayed to be. But to replace software engineers, definitely not. To decrease the demand of software engineers, yes, because of what it can already do. It can do the basic tasks. So the number of junior software engineers or people who can do the basic tasks are not going to be high because AI can already do that. But if you're a good software engineer and you know what you do and you have the core skills, you are definitely still going to have a job. And please remember, it also needs technical people to be able to prompt it to do what it does, because it can also misinterpret the requirements. So it needs someone who's technical, who's been on the field to be able to guide it to do what it does. So if you're afraid that it's gonna replace you, maybe become one of them. Maybe you can put a chip or become an AI software engineer yourself. Maybe that could help. And all I can say is AI is the new wave. Embrace it or fall behind.